We're thrilled to announce our exclusive Ask the Advocate membership deal, coming soon for just $300. For over an hour of expert consulting, you'll unlock a world of invaluable benefits. Personalized consulting, receive tailored guidance from owner Maureen Brown, ensuring you have the right strategies and support. Sample documents, access, crucial sample letters and emails to effectively communicate with key stakeholders and navigate complex situations. Expert insights. Get detailed guidance on advisories from the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education and the Bureau of Special Education, helping you stay informed and proactive. Case studies. Explore important cases that could impact your advocacy work, giving you a deeper understanding of the issues at hand. Ongoing support. Benefit from continuous advice and updates relevant to your needs, ensuring you stay ahead in your advocacy efforts. Exclusive resources. Gain access to additional resources and tools that will streamline your advocacy process and make your efforts more effective. Community connection. Join a network of like-minded individuals and professionals who share your commitment and passion for advocacy. And here's the cherry on top. Join now and receive a free gift as a token of our appreciation. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your advocacy skills and get the comprehensive support you deserve. Stay tuned for more details and be ready to take advantage of this incredible offer. Great deal, only $300. And you will gain so much education to support your child with learning challenges and unique needs.